Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Let's take a look at the Majorette Limited Edition Series 4, the glow-in-the-dark ones. So here's the packaging. So you get a collector card, and then in the back you can see all 6 cars in the series. So I'm going to go in alphabetical order. So the first one is the Citroën C4 Cactus. Got something here to get that card out, because that's really a pain in the behind to get it out. So 156 scale suspension, got the lensed headlights as usual. Painted taillights. They all have a moving part, in this case the trunk lid. Got Citroën name on the roof and the logo on the hood or bonnet, and again repeated here. Got a little paint chip here, unfortunately, on the spoiler above the rear window. That's a bummer. But all in all, these get full deco all the way around. So I'll put it upwards like this for the glow-in-the-dark wheels to take up some light. So here's the card. Oh, the interior is also glow-in-the-dark, so maybe I shouldn't put it upwards. Yeah. And here's the stats on the vehicle. Small engine size on this one. Then next up, you got the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, 166 scale, opening doors. So you get nicely painted taillights, you get the SRT name and logo on the side, you get the lensed headlights nicely tucked in there. Grille is part of the base, it seems. This little orange side light here, back and front. Little sunroof. And then next up we get the Honda CRZ. This is 155 scale. This time no lensed headlights, painted headlights. This is an older casting. The opening tailgate in the back is plastic. But it is also very detailed all around. And here's the collector card. Next up, the Mercedes SLS, Mercedes-AMG GT, sorry, not the SLS, it's the GT. Mercedes-AMG GT in 1:60 scale. Lensed headlights. Number 1 on the side. Painted taillights. Opening doors. And we got the Nissan GTR. .61 scale. Opening doors. So lensed headlights. GTR name on the side, painted taillights. The black piece is part of the metal body and not part of the plastic base, so it's all painted black. That's nice. Same here, the rocker panels also painted black, not part of the base, and same in the front. So quite a lot of metal on this one, metal spoiler. Cool. And then, oh sorry, I forgot the card. 6-cylinder and then the Subaru WRX STI. This is in 1/58 scale. Very cool casting. Lensed headlights. You got some paint for the fog lights there. Nice metal spoiler. Opening doors. So even got the door cards detailed. The inside of the doors. Nice interior too. Yeah, very nice model. Love it. And then that's not all. I've got two multi-pack exclusives. So here's the Citroën C4 Cactus multi-pack exclusive in a kind of a metallic red. So it does not have the Citroën written on the roof like the other one, nor the logo on the hood or bonnet. So a little bit different. Also has the opening tailgate. And the other multi-pack exclusive is this Honda CRZ. This is in the same livery as the other one, but green on white instead of red on white. Did I show this? I don't think I showed this. Forgot it again. Sorry. Boxer engine. So what I'm going to try to do is make it a little bit darker here, so maybe we can see the glow in the dark features of these, if they work or not. I'm just going to turn off the light. Yep, there we go. So that works pretty well. So yeah. And that was the last one. So there you go. Glow in the dark, Majorette. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.